Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about System.io subaccounts. So what are subaccounts and what is the main purpose of using subaccounts? Now, from my understanding, you can use subaccounts if you have more than one business or more than one brand and you want to separate each brand or each business from the other one so that your contacts, your funnels, your email list all are separated under each brand. And this is good because your information is more organized and you can easily find everything that you need to know under specific brands. So for example, let's say I have two different businesses. I have a System.io funnel business where I help people build low ticket funnels. And then my other business is my YouTube channel, right? Let's just say those are the two different businesses that I have right now. And I do not want to mix up both in one account. I want to have one separate account for each of my business or brands. So that's when I am going to create a sub account. Now, this is my main System.io account, right? So I can keep it for my System.io funnel business. And for my YouTube business, I'm going to go ahead and create a sub account and click on create. Now you can call this, let's say, Grow With Me's YouTube. And then your subdomain will already be included here. And then you just go ahead and click save. Here we go. This is our new sub account. Now I'm going to go ahead and log into this sub account. So this sub account will be a brand new account specifically for my YouTube business. Okay. So we have it here. Now we can go ahead and create funnels under this new account. You can go create a website, you can create a blog, you can create a digital store. You can set up new campaigns and new emails under this sub account. So that's how easy it is to create sub accounts. Now, if you want to add people into this sub account, you're going to go ahead and go to settings. And you're going to scroll down at the very bottom, look for workspace members. Then you can go ahead and add people that you want to manage this account. So they will be added as assistants. So just click here on invite and then you can add the email address here. Then from there, you can give them admin access, but even though they will be admin of this sub account, they will have limited access to your sub account. So same as when someone invites you to their account and they invite you as admin, you have limited access to their account as an admin, right? So that applies to sub accounts as well. So I hope this clarifies on what sub accounts are and what is its purpose. If you have different brands or businesses, or even if you have different services and you don't want to mix up information like contacts, funnels, email lists of both services, you can just go ahead and create sub accounts to separate and keep information of each service or brand in one place. If you want to learn more about System.io and how you can leverage and monetize your funnels, I invite you to my private membership Success with Funnels. This is a beginner membership where you're going to learn how to build, launch, and monetize your low ticket funnels. You will get access to my System.io crash course. You're going to get access to live workshops and Q&A that I do every week. You're going to get feedback on your funnels. And if you want us to build a funnel together, I can help you with that. You can connect and network with other members who are in the same journey as you, learning how to create, launch, and monetize their funnels. This for you if you're a beginner, you are launching your first funnel. If you're a creator and you want to build different digital products to sell, if you're a coach who wants to learn how to create memberships and low ticket funnels and offers to sell. You can join the membership for free today. get 7-day free access. And then if you want to continue your journey, it's $10 per month. Go ahead, check out the membership. And if you have any questions, please make sure to ask below in the comments.